Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to earn money from Instagram. Instagram is a great platform not just for sharing photos and videos, but also for earning money. Whether you're an influencer or a small business owner, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your Instagram presence. In this video, I'll be sharing some effective strategies to help you earn money from Instagram. Strategy 1. Become an influencer. The first and most popular way to earn money from Instagram is by becoming an influencer. If you have a significant following on Instagram, you can leverage your influence to earn money from brand partnerships, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. The key is to grow your following by creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. You can do this by posting regularly, engaging with your followers, and collaborating with other influencers in your niche. Strategy 2. Sell your own products. If you have a small business or an online store, Instagram can be a great platform to sell your products. You can use Instagram's built-in shopping features to showcase your products and drive traffic to your website. You can also use Instagram to offer exclusive discounts and promotions to your followers and engage with them through stories, live streams, and IGTV. Strategy 3. Offer your services. If you're a freelancer or a service provider, you can use Instagram to showcase your work and offer your services to potential clients. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can showcase your design portfolio on Instagram and offer your design services to businesses and individuals. You can also use Instagram to network with other professionals in your field and find potential clients through hashtags and location tags. Strategy 4. Join affiliate programs. Another way to earn money from Instagram is by joining affiliate programs. Many brands offer affiliate programs where they pay a commission to influencers who promote their products and services. You can join these programs and promote products that are relevant to your niche and audience. You can do this by creating sponsored posts, stories, and reviews, and including your affiliate link in your posts. In conclusion, Instagram can be a great platform to earn money if you're willing to put in the time and effort to grow your following and create high-quality content. Whether you're an influencer, a small business owner, or a service provider, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your Instagram presence. Making money on Instagram isn't easy, but if you're willing to put in the work and be creative, you can find success. Use these strategies to start earning an income from the app. Good luck! So, start experimenting with these strategies and find the ones that work best for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.